In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Google Docs using Google Drive. Whether you're creating interactive documents, enhancing presentations, or you simply want to make your content more engaging, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Drive in your preferred web browser and navigate to the audio file you want to embed in your Google Doc. Once you find it, right-click on the file to bring up a menu of options. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. From the menu, click on Share. This step is crucial because the sharing settings determine who can access your audio file. A window will pop up showing the current sharing settings. Next, make sure your file is set to Anyone with the link can view. This ensures that anyone who opens your document can access and play the audio without any issues. With the sharing settings adjusted, click on Copy Link to copy the link to your clipboard. This link is what will connect your Google Drive audio file to your Google Doc. Now open the Google Doc where you want the audio to appear. Decide exactly where you want to place the audio link, then highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. Something like, "Click here to listen" works perfectly. Once your text is highlighted, look for the link icon in the toolbar at the top of the document. Click it, then paste your copied audio link into the dialog box and click Apply. This converts your highlighted text into a clickable link that points directly to your audio file. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your link has no extra spaces. Double-check that the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view, and choose descriptive text for your hyperlink so readers know it's an audio file. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent broken links. Once you've applied the link, test it by clicking on it to make sure the audio opens and plays correctly. After that, you should be able to share your document, and anyone can access your embedded audio without interruptions. It's also a good idea to keep your drive organized, especially if you're linking multiple audio files, so you can easily manage everything. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add audio from Google Drive into Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to make their documents more interactive. Why not make someone's day easier?